How to access Snapchat data after request. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. From this profile feed, select the gear icon at top right corner of the screen to access your settings page. Scroll a bit down and you need to locate the option of My Data, which is at the bottom of the screen underneath Delete Account option. Once you type in, you have to wait until all the information has been loaded on the section. Now you will get access to this section where you need to allow certain permissions from this page, that is exporting HTML files, JSON files, user information, chat history, and many more. Once you have checked marked the available options as per your interest, once you have selected the informations that you want to include on your data, tap on the next button on the bottom right corner of the screen. And this is the date range or the timeline for your data. Here you can select the date range from yesterday, last week, last month, last year, 2 years, or all time. For now, let me select all time, and here you need to confirm your email. Once done, you need to simply tap on Now tap Submit button at bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap Submit, you will easily submit your request to Snapchat. And once you have requested to access data on Snapchat, you will easily get the downloaded file or folder on your email address that you have given here. And after that, you can easily open your email and get access to Snapchat data after request. So that's all for today. If this video helped you, then hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.